Hello students, welcome to Shri Vidya Mandir Education Society. With the blessings of Lord Ganesha, we are going to start Districts of Mysuru Division Part 2 in this video. Before we start today's session, let's recall what we have learned in the previous session. Mysuru was the capital city of erstwhile Mysuru rulers. It is the cultural capital of our state. University of Mysuru is the oldest university of our state. The annual Dasara festival celebrated here is known internationally too. Chamarajanagar was known as Arikutara. It was named Chamarajanagar by Krishna Rajasagar Dam in the memory of his father Chamaraja Odaya, who was born here. This district is famous for mulberry cultivation and production of silkworm cocoons. Bandipur National Park is in the Gundlupet taluk of this district. Visitors can see many animals like tiger, leopard, ant, elephant, so on. There is a temple of Biligiri Ranga on Biligiri Ranganapetta. Male Mahadeshwara Hills and Himavat Gopal Swami Hills are the well-known temples of this district. Kollegal is known for its silk weaving. In Chikkalur of Kollegal Taluk, the sacred grave of Siddhapaji is present. The famous organical waterfall is present here. The name Hasan has come from the temple Hasanamba. The temple is open once in a year for public visits. The Channakeshava temple on the banks of the river Yagachi in Beluru is known for its beautiful carving. Belur was called Velapuri. Kedareshwara and Hoysaleshwara temples are in Halebeedu. Children, we should know bit about Halebeedu. Halebeedu was formerly known as Dwarasamudra and it was ruled by Hoysalas that time. Delhi Sultanates have invaded Dwarasamudra many a times and looted. So from then onwards it is been called as Halebeedu. Another marvelous place of this district is Shravanavilagula in Chennarayapatna. A monolith statue of Bahubali, which is 1000 years old, is here. Who is Bahubali? Bahubali was son of Adinatha, who was the first Tirthankara of Jain. Jains come here for the worship. Mahamastaka Abhisheka, the ritual bathing of the idol, takes place once in 12 years. And Bahubali's statue height is 58 feet. In meters, it is 17 meters. The railway line between Hasan and Mangaluru has 58 tunnels. Shri H.D. Devegowda, the first Prime Minister from Karnataka, is also from this district. Now, let's discuss the assignment given in the last session. First main, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which is the cultural capital of Karnataka? Answer: Mysuru is the cultural capital of Karnataka. Question number 2. Name some tourist places of Mysuru district. Answer: Mysore Palace, Chamundi Hills, Nandi Idol, Nanjangud, Vrindavan Garden, etc. are some of the tourist places of Mysuru district. Question number 3. How did Chamarajanagar got its name? Answer. Chamarajanagar got its name because Chamaraja Odayar born in this place. Question number 4. Name the two well-known temples of Chamarajanagar. Answer. Malamahadeshwara Hills, Himawat Gopal Swami Hills are the well-known temples of Chamarajanagar. Question number 5. What do you mean by Mahamastakabhisheka? Answer. Mahamastakabhisheka means ritual bathing of the idol. Question number 6. Who was the first Prime Minister from Karnataka? Answer. Shri H.D. Devegowda was the first Prime Minister from Karnataka. Now, second main, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks 1. The annual Dash festival celebrated in Mysuru. It is Dasara. Fill in the blanks 2. A Dash museum of Mysuru is the biggest one in Asia. Folklore. Blanks 3. Dash National Park is in Gundlupete Taluk. It's Bandipur. Blanks 4. Kollegal is known for Dash weaving. It's silk. Blanks 5. The name Hasan has come from the temple Dash. It is Hasanamba. Blank 6. A monolithic statue of Dash is in Hasan district. The answer is Bahubali. Let's begin today's session. In the previous video, we have learned 3 districts, and in this video, we will be learning about 5 more districts of Mysuru division, namely Chikkamangaluru District, Mandia District, then Dakshina Kannada District, Kodagu District and Udupi District. The first, let's begin with Chikkamangaluru District. Observe the map carefully and identify Chikkamangaluru District on the Karnataka map. In Chikkamangaluru, there are 7 taluks, namely Tarikere, Kadur, Chikkamangaluru, Narasimharajapura, Koppa, Sringeri and Mudigere. Chikkamangaluru is one of the beautiful city. So let's talk about Chikkamangaluru in detail. Sharada Devi temple is on the banks of river Tunga, and this was established by Adi Shankaracharya. Chikkamangaluru city is 1034 meters above the sea level, so it has a pleasant climate. The district is a part of hilly area. That is why it is known as Malenadu. Male means hill, Nadu means area or a region. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is in this district. It is also called as Muttodi Animal Sanctuary. Apart from Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, we have Ulavi Bird Sanctuary also. Kemmanagundi has evergreen forest cover. It has many waterfalls and it is 4,400 meters above the sea level. Some of the scenic spots of Chikkamangaluru are Abbe Waterfalls, Mullayanagiri and Kallattagiri. The Baba Budangiri, which is in the Western Ghats, is also called as Chandradrona Parvata. The Dargah of Sufi saint Baba Budan is here. Dargah means mosque. It is said that he introduced coffee to India. People say that Baba Budan is a saint who has come from Mecca, and while coming he has bought some coffee seedlings, and those seedlings he has planted on these hills. So thereafter coffee has spread to different other parts of South India. Devanuru, the birthplace of Kannada's famous poet Lakshmisha, is in this district. Children, you can see Lakshmisha on the screen. His Jaimini Bharata is Kannada's most popular book. Apart from this, we have famous rivers like Tungabhadra, Hemavati, Netravati and Vedavati are born in this district. After completing Chikkamangaluru District, we are moving on to Mandia District. Welcome to Mandia District to all the students. Children, observe Mandia on the Karnataka map. So this Mandia district was formed in the year 1938 by dividing Mysuru district. Mandia district has many taluks: Krishna Rajasagar Dam, Nagamangala, Madur, Mandia, Pandavapura, Srirangapatna and Malavalli. It is said that sage Mandavya did penance here, and so the name has been kept as Mandia. Penance means tapas. You can see, children, on the screen sage Mandavya's picture. Sugarcane and paddy are the main crops of this district. As sugarcane is grown more in Mandia, it is also called as Sugar City. India's first big sugar factory was started here in the year 1933. Srirangapatna became the capital city of Wadaya dynasty till the British took over it in the year 1799. Darya Daulat, the summer palace of Tipu Sultan, is a major attraction here. You can see on the screen Darya Daulat. It is a summer palace constructed by Tipu Sultan. One more summer palace of Tipu Sultan is there in Bangalore. This city is on the banks of river Kaveri. Sri Ranganatha is the patron god of this place. The temple of Sri Ranganatha is established in a spacious place. The temples of Sri Ranganatha are in 3 islands created by river Kaveri. The first temple is in Srirangapatna, the second is in Shivanasamudra, and the third temple is in Srirangam of Tamil Nadu. Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary, Pandavapura, Melukote, Shivanasamudra, which has Gaganachukki Barachukki waterfalls, and Adi Chunchanagiri are some of the interesting places of this district. Children, you should know Ranganatittu is the largest bird sanctuary of the Karnataka state, which is spread over 40 acres of land. And this name Ranganatittu has been declared as a bird sanctuary by one of the famous ornithologists, Dr. Salim Ali, in 1940. Pandavapura, also known for beautiful temples. Melukotte, it is called as Thiruvanarayanapuram, and this temple is built on rocky hills. Shivanasamudra, name itself says, is the sea of Shiva, and it is one of the highest hydroelectric power station till 1902. And we have to speak about Krishna Rajasagar Dam too, because it is the lifeline of Mandia District. It is built on across the river Kaveri, which provides irrigation facility to the districts of Mandya and Mysuru. This Krishna Rajasagar Dam was built under the guidance of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. It is named after Krishna Raja Vadaya IV, who was instrumental in its construction. It was built in 1932. It also provides drinking water to the cities of Mysuru and Bengaluru. Children, let's know few things about Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, he was an eminent engineer. He is a chief architect of KRS Dam. He has devised steel doors to stop the wasteful flow of water in dams. He is being called as Mokshagondam Vishveshwaraya as one of the ablest engineers of India, and he also created Vrindavan Garden. After Mandia District, we are going to learn about Kodagu District, which is also known as Coorg. It is a rural district in southwest Indian state of Karnataka. Children, observe Kodagu on the Karnataka map. Kodagu has 3 taluks. One is Madikeri, Somawarpet and Virajpet. Kodagu is famous as Kashmir of Karnataka. How Kashmir in the northern India is famous for beautiful hill station. Similarly, Kodagu is famous for the hill station. So that is why it is called as Kashmir of Karnataka. Huttari is a festival of harvest celebrated during harvest season. Talakaveri, which is a birthplace of river Kaveri, Abbi waterfalls, Irupu waterfalls, Dubare elephant camp are known as tourist spots. Kodagu is next to Chikkamangaluru in coffee production in India. It is the smallest district in Karnataka. Kodavas form major part of the population. You can see on the screen how Kodavas dress up. As we finished with Kodagu district, now we are moving on to Dakshina Kannada district. Dakshina Kannada is a district of Karnataka state in India with its headquarters in the port city of Mangalore. This district covers the area between Western Ghats to its east and the Arabian Sea to its west. Dakshina Kannada receives abundant rainfall during the Indian monsoon. Children, observe the Kannada map and locate Dakshina Kannada on the map. Dakshina Kannada has 5 taluks: Mangaluru, Beltangadi, Bantawala, Puttur and Sulya. Dakshina Kannada is famous coastal district. It has a popular port. This aids means helps in the export and import business. Fishing, rolling beedies, processing of cashew nuts, and agriculture are the major occupations of these people. The coastal area was once a part of Madras state, but the Britishers have divided Kannada into Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada in 1860. Dakshina Kannada remained with Madras state, whereas Uttara Kannada was made as a part of Bombay region. Later, this became a part of Karnataka in 1956. Navamangaluru port is built here. There is an international airport too in Bajpe of Mangaluru. Shri Manjunatha Temple of Dharmasthala, Jain religious center of Moodabidre, the Durga Parameshwari Temple of Kudroli, and the Juma Masjid of Ullala are the famous religious center. The picture what you see on the screen is Navamangaluru port. The second picture is Sri Dharmasthala, that is Manjunatha temple, which is there in Dharmasthala. The third picture what you are seeing is Shri Durka Parameshwari temple, which is there in Katilu. The Nisargadama of Pilikula is established in more than 350 acres of land. Pilikula. Pili means tiger in Tulu language. Kula means lake. The tigers were coming to drink water in this lake. So that is why the name itself is given as Tiger Lake, that is Pilikula. This Nisargadama of Pilikula, one of the tourist attraction place. Here it is known for sightseeing, boating facilities, botanical garden, Pilikula golf course, zoo, theme park, water reservoir, everything can be seen in this Nisargadama Pilikula. Dr. Shivarama Karanth Biopark, Folklore Museum, Science Center and Architecture Center attract children and elders alike. Dr. Shivarama Karanth Biopark will get the first leopard rescue center, that is there in Dakshina Kannada. This district is known for Nagaradhane. Naga means snake, Aradhane means worshipping. Worship of snake, that is Nagaradhane, is famous in this district. Apart from that, Kambala, Bhutakola and other rituals can be seen in this Dakshina Kannada district. By this, we have come to the end of Dakshina Kannada. Now, let's study about Udupi District. Udupi is one of the top tourist attractions in Karnataka, which has various educational institutions. Udupi District was formed in 1997 by dividing Dakshina Kannada District. The Arabian Sea is to the west and Eastern Ghats is there to the east of this district. Udupi has arecanut means adike and coconut groves along with paddy fields. It is said that the idol of Sri Krishna was installed by the Dvaita philosopher Madhvacharya in Krishna temple. It is also said that Lord Krishna turned on his own from the east to the west direction to provide a view to Kanakadasa. The spot where this view was given is called as Kanakanakindi. In the picture, you can see Krishnamat and Kanakanakindi. The temple of Mukambika is on Kodachadri hills. Apart from that, the 42 feet idol of Gommateshwara in Karkala is also popular. As I said earlier, Udupi is one of the district which attracts tourists. Rashtrakavi Govindapai Research Center, Malpe Beach, Manipal, Kundapur, Mandarthi, Kota, Kapu, Barkur, Maravante Beach are some of the popular places. Malpe is an all-season fishing port. St. Mary's Island is a popular island where too many tourists go to visit that place. Now in the picture you can see Gommata Betta which is there in Karkala. One Gommateshwara statue that is there in Shravanabelagula which is the highest one. The second you can see in Dharmasthala and the third you have it in Karkala. As we finished all the 5 districts, let's revise what we have learnt. Sharada Devi temple is on the banks of river Tunga, was established by Adi Shankaracharya. This district is a part of hilly areas known as Malenadu. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, which is known as Muttodi Animal Sanctuary, and Ulavi Bird Sanctuary are in this district. Kemmannugundi has evergreen forest cover. It has many waterfalls and is 1400 meters above the sea level. Abhi waterfalls, Mullayanagiri and Kallathagiri are of scenic spots. The Baba Budangiri, which is in the Western Ghats, is also called as Chandradrona Parvata. The Dargah of Sufi saint Baba Budan is here. It is said that he introduced coffee to India. Devanuru, the birthplace of Kannada's famous poet Lakshmisha, is in this district. His Jaimini Bharata is Kannada's most popular book. The rivers Tungabhadra, Hemavati, Netravati and Vedavati are born in this district. It is said that sage Mandavya did penance here, named as Mandia. Sugarcane and paddy are the main crops of this district. India's first big sugar factory was started here in the year 1933. Srirangapatna was the capital city of Odeya dynasty till the British took over it in the year 1799. Darya Daulat, the summer palace of Tipu Sultan, is a major tourist attraction. This city is on the banks of river Kaveri. Shri Ranganatha is the patron god of this town. Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary, Pandavapura, Melukote, Shivanasamudra, which has Gaganachukki waterfalls, and Adi Chinchanagiri are some of the interesting places of this district. Krishna Rajasagar Dam is the lifeline of Mandia District. Built across river Kaveri, provides irrigation facilities to the districts of Mandia and Mysuru. This was built under the guidance of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. It is named after Krishna Rajasagar IV, who was instrumental in its construction. It was built in 1932. It also provides drinking water to the cities of Mysuru and Bengaluru. Kodagu is famous as the Kashmir of Karnataka. Uttari, a festival of harvest, is celebrated during harvest season. Talakaveri, the birthplace of river Kaveri. Abbe Falls, Irupu Waterfalls, Dubare Elephant Camp are known tourist spots. Kodagu is next to Chikkamangaluru in coffee production in India. It is the smallest district in Karnataka. Kodavas form major part of the population. Dakshina Kannada is a famous coastal district. It has a popular port. This aids in the export and import business. Fishing, rolling beedies, processing of cashew nuts, and agriculture are the major occupations of people. Navamangaluru port is built here. There is an international airport in Bajpayee of Mangaluru. Shri Manjunatha Temple of Dharmasthala, Jain religious center of Moodabidre, the Durka Parameshwari Temple of Katilu, Gokarnanatheshwara Temple of Kudroli, and the Jama Masjid of Ullala are famous religious center. The Nisargadama of Pilikula is established in more than 350 acres of land. Dr. Shivaram Karanth Biopark, Folklore Museum, Science Center and Architecture Center attract children and elders alike. This district is known for Nagaradhane, that is worship of snakes, Kambala, Bhutakola and other various rituals. The Arabian Sea to the west and Eastern Ghats is there to the east of Udupi District. Udupi has arecanut and coconut groves along with paddy fields. It is said that the idol of Sri Krishna was installed by Dvaita philosopher Madhvacharya in Krishna temple. It is also said that Lord Krishna turned on his own from the east to the west direction to provide a view to Kanakadasa. The spot where this view was given is called as Kanakanakindi. The temple Mukambika is on the Kodachadri hills. The 42 feet idol of Gommateshwara of Karkala is also popular. Rashtrakavi Govindapai Research Center is in Udupi, Malpe, Manipal, Kundapur, Mandarthi, Kota, Kapu, Barkur, Maravante are some of the popular places. Malpe is an all-season fishing port. St. Mary's Island is a popular island. By this, we have come to the end of the lesson, children. Now let's see the assignment part of the lesson. Let's see what are the assignments questions. First main, name the following. Question number 1. One who established Sharada Devi temple on the banks of river Tunga. Question number 2. India's first big sugar factory is in this district. Question number 3. The capital of Odeya dynasty till 1799. Question number 4. This dam is lifeline of Mandia District. Question number 5. The harvest festival of Kodagu. Question number 6. the worship of snakes. Question number 7. The popular island of Udupi District. Second main, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where is Navamangaluru port? Question number 2. Which district is known as the Kashmir of Karnataka? Question number 3. Why was Krishna Rajasagar Dam built? Question number 4. Name some of the tourist places of Kodagu. Question number 5. Why are some parts of Chikkamangaluru known as Malenadu? Question number 6. How did Mandia get its name? Children, answer these questions in your homework. By this, we have completed the chapter Mysuru division. Thank you, children.